RealWear HMT-1 is the first ruggedized head-mounted Android tablet. With all the functionality of a standard Android tablet, RealWear's optimized, voice-activated operating system enables hands-free work. This video will get you started with HMT-1 and take you through proper adjustment and fit and some of the global voice commands, allowing you to navigate the hands-free UI. The box contains one HMT-1 unit, one USB-C type cable, one charger, and one adjustable head strap. Please note, to develop for HMT-1 and to establish a connection with RW Explorer on your desktop computer, a micro USB cable, not included, must be used. First, the user must determine his or her dominant eye. To do this, make a circle with your thumb and first finger. With both eyes open, look at an object on the wall or in the distance, and center it inside the circle. Now close one eye and then the other. When you close your left or right eye, you will notice that the object jumps outside the circle. If the object seems to move when you close your left eye, then you have left eye dominance. If the object moves more when your right eye was closed, then your right eye is the dominant one. If you've determined that you are left eye dominant, you can invert the device as seen here. Next, you'll want to position the display pod so that you can see the entire screen. Power the device on by pressing and briefly holding the power button. The pod should rest just below your line of sight. Use the shoulder, elbow, and wrist joints to adjust to a nominal position. Now that you are adjusted and your device is powered on,
let's configure your HMT-1. To do so, go to configure.realwear.com and select Configure your HMT-1. Select the desired language, then select your geographic region and time zone. Lastly, enter the network name, case sensitive, and the network password. Click Create Configuration QR code. At first boot, the HMT-1 will automatically enter the configuration app. You can get here at any time by saying My Programs and Configuration. Align your camera to detect the QR code. When recognized, the QR code will highlight and you will be returned to your home screen with Wi-Fi connected and your date and time updated accordingly. Let's work through a few of the global voice commands. Wear HF is an accessibility layer atop an Android 6.01 operating system, enabling voice recognition of text and added numerical characters for simple, hands-free navigation. Simply say My Programs and your programs will appear. Next, say Navigate Back, and you will return to the main menu screen. This global voice command will always return you to the previous screen, whereas the command Navigate Home will return you to the home screen. From any screen, you can say My Controls to access your control panel. Let's take a look at the camera application. From the home screen, say My Camera to launch the camera app. Then say Take Photo to capture an image. Next, we'll take a look at the document navigator. Here, I've added a PDF file to my file folder that can be referenced while working in the field. Select the item with your voice by using the Select Item Number command. For instance, to select item 3, say Select Item 3. Use the command Zoom Level 1 through 5 to zoom. Once zoomed in, use head movements to navigate different areas of the document. Say Freeze Document to lock the document to its current position. Say Control Document to regain control.
RealWear is committed to your success and looks forward to learning about how your ideas and solutions can help to change the face of workplace efficiency and safety.